Sports making a comeback, but what will it look like in this new normal, and is it really safe for fans? Joining us now is Dr. Dan O'Brien, a medical futurist. Thank you so much for your time. So what is your perspective? What is the future of professional sports?
Sure. Well, with sports, it's such a great unifier, right? I think we're all excited to get back to be able to watch our favorite team. But right now, it's so crucial to be able to have the right diagnostic testing in place to make sure that participants and even fans are really safe during this time, especially from a public health perspective.
Yeah, so what is, I mean, should fans even be there live?
Sure. I really believe this should be done in phases. I think at first, watching your favorite team, via television is probably the appropriate way. And as we kind of see the number of COVID cases decline, I think then we can begin to bring fans back in, possibly social distancing, with a face mask as well. So it's not ideal, but I think, again, sports being such a great unifier right now, and that's what we need. And I think it's coming right around the corner for us to be able to cheer for our favorite team. And
what do you think about if a player tests positive for COVID-19?
Right. I think that the most important thing is to make sure to isolate that patient, or to isolate that participant, and to make sure that they're staying away from other players. I don't believe per se they should just totally stop the game, but isolate that patient, possibly retest, make sure that they get proper treatment before getting back on.
So even if it's a Tom Brady or somebody like that, take them off the field? I mean, what does that do to the sport?
Yes, just for the safety, right? If they come back positive in regards to COVID tests, we have to make sure that we keep the rest of the players safe. So I think in isolation, being able to social distance is really just the safe thing to do, particularly from a public health standpoint as well.
All right, Dr. Dan O'Brien, I appreciate you for taking the time. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for having me. Absolutely.